Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. You don't want no kisses? Turkey. I'm trying to get Macy's bone.
What do you moochers want? Here's the big moocher. Oh. What are you doing? Gunner. Want a bone? Sit. Sit. Good boy. Get it. Macy. Sit pretty. Cowboys.
Good boy. What's that one for?
Hey, what's up, guys? More Medic One. Today, we're going to cook up what I like to call beef bacon. It's basically, they call them tablitas. It's beef short ribs cut the other way to where it's just got one little sliver of bone. Sometimes you'll have a Family Guy Stewie shaped bone in there. His head, Stewie's head, you know, and it'll be like they'll be in there. But man, these things are good. I haven't found these anywhere else besides these Mexican meat markets. I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head. El Rancheros, La Michoacana has them. Malone's Cost Plus has them. Man, where did I get? I got these off of Beltline Road in Dallas, Texas, but I can't remember. On the corner of Beltline and Seagoville Road. If you guys are from Texas or around this area, comment below, because I can't remember the daggum name of the... What was that place called? I don't know. I'll find out. Hey, Mama. What was the name of that meat market that I went to get these?
Maybe, I don't know, because it's the ones you go to.
I know, but I can't remember the name of it.
I don't know.
Okay. Oh, well. Oh, I do some grilling. Can you tell? Got these things turned over. Man, they looking good. They come pre-marinated. And man, sometimes they'll kind of curl. That's why I like to call it beef bacon. See how it curls up? If it's got a little bit of fat in it, it'll go boom. And just kind of... That's all right. It all comes out the same orifice. It was killing me. I couldn't figure out the name. It's used to be called Wright's Family Food Center, but it's called El Miguelitos, and I'll put a link in the description with their website. They got some pretty good deals if you live in the DFW area. I got chicken leg quarters for like 6 or 4 or 5. Just it was like a whole huge bag for like $3. So gorgeous. Whenever that rib bone sticks up like that, see how they're sticking up? Them suckers are done. Let's plate these and see how they turn out. I like to eat mine by the bone, but you can use a knife. Plate me up a little bit of salad here. Dawn makes the best salads in the world. She knows I love egg in mine. She boiled me an egg. Bless her heart. She goes above and beyond for this family. I would like some Thousand Island, please. All right, let's try it out. Let's try it together, want to? It's basically just marinated ribs, and they just cut them the other way. There is bones in it, usually a couple, Here, you got the most gristliest piece on the whole thing. Here, try a bite of that. Okay, put your fork and knife down. You gotta grab it by the bone, like that, and go to town like a caveman. It's delicious, babe.
Mm-hmm.
This first time you've ever had a tablita?
Mm-hmm.
Good, isn't it? They're gonna be a little, I mean, they're not gonna be like melt in your mouth, buttery, tender, but they are delicious.
Yeah, that's good flavor.
Give me a bite of this good old salad. Did you have a good day today?
Mm-hmm. Not too much work.
Man, I worked on a lawnmower today. The guy calls me and says, I got a noise coming from under the deck, but I don't know what it is, but I mowed all day with it like that. I said, well, I'll be over this afternoon to look at it if it's nothing serious. They're doing construction out there at one of my facilities, and they're putting phone lines in.
He wrapped up a line?
He wrapped up probably several hundred feet of phone line under there.
Oh my gosh.
I said, dude, I ain't spending 2 hours under here cutting all this out from under here. You can forget it. I'm gonna zip the blades off, pull all the blades.
Oh, yeah, it'd be way easier.
And I threw some new blades on it and I was done and I was out of there, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna take a picture of it and I'm gonna post it to my Facebook, YouTube. On my YouTube's got a section to where you can just post text or a picture. Gunner, are you going to town on that bone, buddy?
Yeah, you could hear him. It's so loud.
I'm gonna try this one right here.
We'll give y'all one too, okay? Do you have another one?
A bone?
Yeah.
I want to get one that's not so sharp. Let's cover this one.
Is this one okay?
Yeah. This one.
I'm Macy and Cowboy.
Oh, here, Cowboy.
Cowboy's right here, baby. Come on, man. Oh my God.
Here, Cowboy.
You get her. Y'all better not fight.
Anyway, tomorrow's our last day until Monday week, so we'll be off Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and go back Monday.
Well, good. I'll make you a honey-do list.
I know. I gotta be putting the chicken coop together. I got a chainsaw to work on.
Look, he's like, give me another one. He already ate that bone.
Is he ate the bone already?
Yeah, he's ready for another one.
Man.
That dog.
Gunner the Great.
I don't have one, buddy. I gave mine to Macy.
You know what I don't have, Mama?
A drink.
A drink. Anyway, guys, hope y'all have a good holiday on the 4th. I'm sure I'll see y'all before then, but we'll see y'all on the next video. Be working on an air compressor that I bought for $4 at a dadgum auction that I knew that it wasn't working, but I bought it anyway, and we'll go through and get that thing fixed up and going. So we'll see y'all on the next video. Y'all have a great day. More Medic 1.